Hi, TJ here with another do-it-yourself project, and this one is a problem with a wall. And someone has punched through my sister's cottage here and created a problem with the wall. And this could not just be wood, but it could also be plasterboard as well. And so we're going to use an unusual tool today that's not in your garage, but it's in your kitchen, maybe, or somewhere else. And that is a corkscrew. So we use a corkscrew to screw in there and then pull it out, and then we're going to use Gorilla Glue, or you could use something else as well, and use it to tighten up. So I invite you to watch as we try to do that. We're going to just screw this in here, and then we're going to pull it out like that. Okay. Now that we found out that we could do that successfully, then now what we're going to do is use a Q-tip and put the Gorilla Glue on here and be able to put it up there. Otherwise, it's just going to run down. So we're going to do that real quick before we put the corkscrew back on there and then tighten it up to dry. We got the Gorilla Glue on there with the Q-tip in the application. Now we're going to put this back on here and the corkscrew on there, and then we just pull it forward like that so it's as flush as you can get it. We've got the Gorilla Glue on there, and we screwed the corkscrew in there, and this will hold it in there. And it might be different ways that you would have it, whether it's all the way in or whether you screw this all the way in, but the tension here will hold it here, and we're going to let it dry for a while, and hopefully that will do it. Hi, good morning. It's the morning after, and this is dried overnight. You can see that it's holding, and so that's one way to repair a wall if needed. Of course, it needs a little bit of filler in there, but we've got the piece flush, and we have it glued tight. So this is TJ. Good luck on your DIY projects, and I hope you'll like and subscribe to the channel.